Place the screw into the rail clamp and set the washer. Place the bracket onto the bed rail. Slide the clamp until it is firmly against the underside of the bed rail. For the tooth plate, make sure the plate screw is all the way at the bottom. Then adjust the tooth plate so the mounting screw is at the furthest point possible. Tighten securely. This will vary depending on make and model. Place the upright bar into the bracket. Turn the twist lock. You will hear a click sound. To adjust the proper width of the crossbar, make sure the twist lock is in the unlocked position. Extend the crossbar so each side is firmly against the bracket. Keep the middle bar centered. Secure by turning the nut firmly. Place the flat end of the torsion rod into the hole located on the upright. Then, place the other end into the hole located on the bracket. Place the crossbar into the upright. Press down firmly and use the twist lock. You will hear a click sound. Your setup is now complete.